Okay, now we have one more rule in triangle called Main theorem. Theorem is like this. We have here triangle ABC, a line through vertex A meets opposite side BC at D. D divides BC in the ratio M upon N. Here we have BD upon DC is equal to M upon N. Angle between line and BC is theta. This angle is theta. Okay, and line divides angle A such that angle BAD is alpha and angle DAC is beta. Okay. Then we have here two statements for Mn theorem, two formulas for Mn theorem. The first formula is m plus n cot theta is equal to m cot alpha minus n cot beta. Okay. Now here we have side AD common between triangles ABD and DAC. So clearly here we will be using sine rule. ठीक है ना? जब एक साइड दो ट्राइंगल्स में शेयर होता है तो हम जनरली साइन रूल यूज करते हैं. वी यूज साइन रूल फॉर ट्राइंगल्स एबीडी एंड एडीसी. ओके, इन ट्राइंगल एबीडी यूजिंग साइन रूल वी हैव m lambda upon sine alpha. This is equal to, now can we get this angle in terms of theta? इसको थीटा के फॉर्म में निकाल सकते हैं. This angle is 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so angle B will be theta minus alpha. So we have here AD upon sine of theta minus alpha. Okay, now we use sine rule in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC we have n lambda upon sine beta. This is equal to AD upon this angle, and this angle is 180 degree minus beta plus theta. Okay, sine of 180 degree minus this is equal to sine of beta plus theta. So we have here sine beta plus theta. Okay, now what we do, we divide this result by this result. We have m upon sine alpha multiplied by sine beta upon n. This is equal to sine of beta plus theta upon sine of theta minus alpha. ठीक है ना? Okay, now we cross multiply and simplify. We have m sine beta multiply by, we expand sine theta minus alpha. We have here sine theta cos alpha minus sine alpha cos theta. This is equal to, we have n sine alpha multiply by, we expand this, we have sine beta cos theta plus sine theta cos beta. Okay, now on both sides we divide by sin theta, sin alpha, sin beta. दोनों sides पे हम sin alpha, sin beta, sin theta से divide कर लेते हैं. So we get here m multiply by cot alpha, okay, minus m multiply by cot theta. This is equal to n multiply by cot theta plus n multiply by cot beta. Okay, so from this we get m plus n cot theta. This is equal to m cot alpha minus n cot beta. So this is first formula. ठीक है, this is formula for Mn theorem. Now second formula for this theorem is inside bracket m plus n multiplied by cot theta is equal to n cot b minus m cot c. Now how we get this? Here we have angles B and C. Okay, so what we do here? Here we replace angle beta and write this angle in the form of theta and angle C, and we write angle alpha in the form of angle theta and angle B. Okay, now in triangle ADC we have beta plus theta plus C is equal to 180 degree. So beta plus theta is 180 degree minus C. Okay, sine 180 degree minus C is sine C, and here we have m multiplied by sine of beta is 180 degree minus theta plus C, so we have here sine of theta plus C. Okay, now in triangle ABD we have alpha plus B plus 180 degree minus theta is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so theta minus alpha is angle B, so we have here sine B in denominator. Okay, and angle alpha is theta minus B, so we have here n multiplied by sine of theta minus B. Okay, now expand sine theta plus C and sine theta minus B, cross multiply and divide both sides by sine theta sine B sine C, we will get this result, second formula. ठीक है ना, क्या करना है, साइन थीटा प्लस सी एंड साइन थीटा माइनस बी को एक्सपांड करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय साइन थीटा साइन बी एंड साइन सी. ठीक है ना, आप ट्राई करके देख लेना, आपको ये फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड सम एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एमएन थ्योरम.